Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about 4 benefits of using the sauna. I love using the sauna, and I loved researching the benefits of using the sauna because I noticed a massive improvement in the way that I felt after I started using the sauna. So when I found out the reasons that I actually felt better, I wanted to make this video for you to help you understand the benefits of using a sauna, okay? Now let's get right to it. The first benefit is detoxification. Now when you're in the sauna, you're obviously sweating a lot, and guess what? One of the best ways for your body to release toxins, one of the only ways for your body to release toxins is through sweat. That's one of the reasons that people feel a lot better once they work out and they do a hard workout and they sweat a lot. Now guess what? Working out is great, but you don't have to do a hard workout in order to sweat. You can go in the sauna. You're going to sweat a ton. You're going to sweat like crazy, and that's going to make sure that you detoxify and get rid of all the toxins in your body. So that's the first benefit, detoxification, okay? Benefit number 2 is that it improves circulation. Now, when you're in the sauna, whether you sit there or you sort of stretch your arms and stretch your muscles in the sauna, the heat is getting to your muscles. And when heat gets to your muscles, it actually improves the blood flow within your muscles and from one group of muscles to the next. So with that being said, if you go in the sauna and you just sit there, you're going to get an increased amount of circulation of blood flow throughout your body because of the heat. If you go in the sauna and you stretch, you're going to get even more circulation. So that's a little tip. If you stretch, you can improve the second benefit that I'm talking about, which is improved and increased circulation. Benefit number 3, weight loss. When you're in the sauna, the heat and the loss of sweat from your body is going to lead to weight loss. Now, if you combine going in the sauna like on a daily basis or even a couple times a week, along with working out, maybe going for a run a few days a week and weightlifting a few days a week, you're going to experience great weight loss. As long as you're not eating a ton of junk food, you're probably going to experience a good amount of weight loss. So in my opinion, a sauna can be used to benefit weight loss, which is benefit number 3, especially when used in conjunction with exercising and eating healthy. And I mean exercising in terms of both cardiovascular activity and also lifting weights, so weight training activity. And last but not least, benefit number 4 is stress relief. There's no feeling like going in a sauna and just relaxing there for a minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, however long you end up staying in the sauna for, okay? Now, even if you're stretching, the heat is gonna bring on a relaxation feeling. And when you get out of the sauna, any stress that you had going into the sauna is probably gonna be gone. So stress relief is, in my opinion, a huge added benefit because I have a very busy, jam-packed day. But when I get in that sauna, for whatever reason, I don't think about work. I don't think about any responsibilities. I just relax. It is my relaxing time. And I feel like when you go in a sauna, you're going to feel that relaxation effect. And that's going to relieve you of your stress, which is once again benefit number 4. And that's basically it. Once again, the 4 of the benefits of using a sauna are detoxification, okay? It improves circulation, weight loss, and stress relief. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know some other benefits of being in the sauna, going in the sauna every day in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.